What's up, guys? You're watching News You Can Misuse, brought to you by News Bites. My name is Anmol Garg, and let's get this show started. Hey, wait. पहले सब्सक्राइब करो यार चैनल करो यार बनता है सब्सक्राइब. Alright, let's go. 24 students have scored 100 percentile in the recently concluded IIT JEE exams. Now, media will get an orgasm. They will find out which bachcha can give them the maximum TRP. Which means, which is the most garib bachcha. Next day they will go to his house and they'll be like, देखिए यही है वो घर जिसमें जेई टॉपर पैदा हुआ. ABC सीखने से पहले ही ये सीख गया JEE. दिन रात मोमबत्ती में पढ़ता था ये फरिश्ता. बीच में बच्चा बोलता है चाचा इधर इलेक्ट्रिसिटी है, हमारे पास इन्वर्टर भी है, अब मैं जाऊं PS4 खेलना है. Vodafone Idea MD and CEO Ravinder Thakkar will not get any salary during his current tenure of 3 years. Finally, top management will feel what an intern feels. Actually, now intern doesn't feel anything only. अब वो आदमी नहीं रहा. He's become a bot. Because when interns asked companies for payment, companies बोले हाँ क्या बोला हाँ. See, companies are not realizing the value interns are bringing to the table. Interns are actually bringing the table. And interns are telling all their college friends that they are conceptualizing the entire digital marketing strategy for the company. In reality, this fellow is taking selfies in the bathroom. Hashtag dress to kill. मारी दे भाई तू. Last week at Kaziranga National Park, a tiger was killed by a pig. बस यही बाकी रह गया था 2020 में. फिर होना क्या था? Tigers called for an emergency meeting. Tiger का PM was like, guys, अगर पिग से मरना है पहले शर्म से मरो. क्या टाइगर बनेगा तू? The tiger that was killed was the black sheep of the tiger family. और देखो यार शर्मा जी का टाइगर देखो हर रोज किल करके आता है. He is a killer. Meanwhile, the pigs were celebrating. They were like, यही हमारा स्टड लौंडा. But yeah, it's 2020. Anything can happen, man. Anything can happen. So if you're single, this is my message to you. If you're single, you may just get lucky. But if you're waiting for your ex to come back, that won't happen, huh? RCB has kick-started their IPL practice with a football match. Now I know why they are not winning. ये लोग इधर फुटबॉल खेलता है. When they go to the stadium, they're like, oh shit! ये तो क्रिकेट है. It's like you study for physics exam and then on the day of the exam you get to know it's chemistry. Actually it's fine, fail तो दोनों में होना है. But all these sports coaches, they're telling this football improves hand-eye coordination. यार ये सब बकवास है. RCB needs to learn bat-ball coordination. वरना after the match they will be like, the ball is not coming onto the bat. तू लेके जाना बैट बॉल तक. तेरे को बैट क्यों दिया है? वो बैट हिलता है. तू भी हिल थोड़ा. Don't be like Inzama Mulak. TikTok has rejected Microsoft's offer to buy its US operations. In fact, it has now partnered with Oracle for the same. Folks at Microsoft can't believe they got rejected. Microsoft is that good-looking girl who got left-swiped on Tinder. Oh my god. And I'll tell you what will happen next. Microsoft will do a root cause analysis of why they got rejected. In the end, they will blame the guy who made the PPT. तूने गलत font डाला. You are fired. In the corporate world, you can get fired for using Times New Roman 13. See, in the corporate world, everything should be on email. ईमेल में लिखने का as suggested by you, I am using Times New Roman. और वो मेल सबको भेजने का, इंटर्न से लेके एमडी तक, फिर तू सेफ है. Alright guys, before I leave, there has always been a debate if women are good drivers. See, I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything. Don't put in the comment section, hey, क्या बोला है. No. You see this video and you decide.